Hi, good morning. This is Shilpa. Welcome to Shilpa Tally Online class. Today I am going to explain the creation of GST on the basis of goods for sales return, means credit note. First we have to pass the sales voucher. After that we have to show the sales return voucher. So I already created one company, KH company. In that first I will activate the GST, effluent features, statutory and taxation. Enable GSTS, set or alter GST detail as TIN number you can give 29 5K 45 1 2 3 4 A1 Z5. Okay. Next, PAN number. Okay. Now we have to create the ledgers. See, for example, accounts info, ledger, create. You can make it as GST sales at 5% under sales account, means this is for local. Applicable, yes. Here you can take it as sales taxable 5% goods. Now you can make it as output CGST 2.5% under duties and taxes, GST central 2.5, normal rounding 1. Next, output is GST at 2.5 under duties and taxes, GST state 2.5, normal rounding 1. Next, we have to create the party. You can take it as MK and Company as a sundry debtor. So Karnataka, means within state we are selling now, so you can give Karnataka only. PAN number, not, you can give PAN number. Next, set or alter GST detail is you can give as regular 29 5K 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 A1 Z5. Okay, so now I created 5% items. In that we have to create the stock items. Inventory info, stock item, create. 5% means you can take it as frozen vegetable products, frozen veg products. It comes under vegetables, veg items. Should quantity of items to be added, yes. So it is to be measured in kgs. Kilograms. Applicable, yes. On value, taxable 5%. Next, you can go for tea, coffee, spices. Tea, comma, coffee, comma, spices. So it just comes under grocery. Should quantity of items to be added, yes. So which is to be comes under kgs. Applicable, yes. On value, taxable 5%. Now I created the stock items. Now I am going to pass the vouchers. So you can go to accounting voucher F8 sales, MK and Company, GST sales, you can go for sales taxable. Frozen meat products. Next, you can go for tea, coffee, spices. You can go for output CGST, then output SGST. Okay, so this is sales voucher. Now for sales return, we have to activate the credit note. So we have to go to the F11 features. Here you can go for use debit and credit note as, record credit note in invoice mode as, record debit note in invoice mode as. All the three should be yes. Okay. Now here you are finding sales return. Sales return is nothing but control F8. Okay. Now what's the item I have taken? MK and Company as a GST sales at 5%. Here you can take it as sales taxable. Now frozen meat products, tea, coffee, spices. Output CGST and output SGST. Okay. Now you can go for new reference. Okay. Now you can see the display day book. Here you are finding sales and credit net, both the vouchers. If you want to go for GST display, statutory reports, GST R1. Here you are finding B2B and one is over. If you want to see the credit note registered, so you have to go to the incomplete information mismatch. It should be showing as 1. So we have to go and alter it, enter. Here nature of return. Nature of return is comes under sales return. Enter. Now you come back. Here you are finding credit note or debit note registered. Okay, so this is the way what we have to pass the sales return invoice in the GST R1. Okay, for alteration and deletion you can mention I already mentioned in the last videos, you just refer it. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe it and comment it. Thank you.